Good afternoon, sir. My name is LGD from Montera, and I'm going to perform wearing sterile gloves. May I proceed? Perform wash or sanitize hand. Open the sterile gloves package correctly, touching only the pick up the first glove by the inside cuff. Slide the dominant hand into the gloves carefully without touching the outside surface. Use the glove hand to slide fingers under the cuff of the second glove. Insert the second hand and pull the glove over the wrist. Adjust both gloves without touching skin. Keep glove hands above waist level and avoid non-sterilized contact. Explain the procedure to the patient. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is LGD from Antara and I'm going to perform changing diaper. May I proceed? Prepare supplies within reach, clean diaper, gloves, wipe, and towel. Perform hand hygiene. Wear disposable gloves. Provide privacy using curtain or sheet. Position the patient comfortably lying flat on the back. Loosen and remove the soiled diaper carefully. Clean the perineal area and dry the area thoroughly with a clean towel. Apply diaper cream if needed. Place the clean diaper under the patient and fasten snugly but not too tight. Dispose of soiled materials. Remove gloves and perform hand hygiene again. Ensure patient's comfort and be positioned properly.